I'm working on patriotic decorations for my home. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this cute patriotic pillow. No-Sew Patriotic Pillow. I also made these no-sew little stars to put on your bookcases or coffee tables. They're a little scatter. You just throw them on like that.
For this project, I'm using a pillow cover from Ikea, the Girly 50 by 50. I'm also using bandanas and drop cloth and cotton balls from the dollar store. You might also need a pencil, scissors, and a glue gun with fabric glue sticks. You want to start by finding a star template on Google. Trace the stars onto your material and cut out your stars. Then you'll just glue the stars onto your pillow cover. Now, before I started gluing the stars onto my pillow cover, I put a liner in the pillow case so that the glue did not seep through. I'm also using a glue gun and glue sticks that are for fabric. Be careful because the glue gets hot. I'd like to start by placing my stars on the pillow to kind of determine the design that I'm looking for. Once I've determined my design, I then grab my glue gun and glue part of the star onto the pillow, stuff the pillow with cotton balls, and then finish gluing the remaining star onto the pillow. I also took the cotton balls and pulled them apart so that they were nice and fluffy.
Thanks so much for watching as I created this gorgeous no-sew patriotic pillow. I hope I've inspired you to create easy, affordable home decor for your home. Now go out there and create something.